Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Bluetooth Nintendo Switch controller. First, make sure your Nintendo Switch console is completely powered on and has a full charge, so you do not experience any interruptions. It is also important to confirm your Bluetooth controller has ample battery life before you begin the pairing process. You can place your Switch console in its dock or on a steady surface nearby for optimal signal strength and convenience. Next, we will put your controller into its pairing mode. Carefully find the small, circular sync button, usually located on the top or back of your specific Nintendo Switch controller model. Once you locate it, press and hold this button for approximately 3 seconds. You will see the player indicator lights on the front of the controller begin to flash rapidly, which signals that it is now in discovery mode, actively searching for a device to connect with. Now, let us connect your controller using your Nintendo Switch console. From the home menu, scroll down and select the controller's icon, which looks like 2 small Joy-Con controllers. Then, choose the option labeled Change Grip or Order to enter the pairing screen. Your Switch will now begin searching for available Bluetooth devices. Keep your controller nearby as it connects. The flashing player lights will become solid once a successful connection is established. After connecting, immediately test your controller's functionality by moving through the Switch menu or by launching a game, ensuring all buttons and joysticks respond correctly. If you encounter any issues, first check for potential interference from other nearby Bluetooth devices. You can also try restarting both your Nintendo Switch console and the controller, then carefully repeat the pairing steps. Always ensure your Switch system software is updated to its latest version for optimal performance and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.